my name's Samantha Otino, and I am one of your classmates. I felt like doing an introductory video instead of writing is just a more personal way to introduce myself. So I'm 25. I'm from Plymouth, Massachusetts. I have my associate's degree, and I am currently working on my bachelor's in child psychology. I am a full-time nanny to three wonderful children, a 4-year-old, a 3-year-old, and a 2-month-old, and I love it. I luckily have a schedule that makes things very flexible, which ties in real well to my own Supreme meal. The things that I do have in my Supreme meal is a wonderful family, amazing friends, a supportive work environment. The family I nanny for supports everything that I do. They supported me going back to school, and they're a big reason as to why I am here back in school because it's taken me 3 or 4 years to find a time in my life where I really felt I was ready to go back to school. Now, also, in my Supreme meal, I would put self care. Um, I've never been the kind of person to really take care of myself. And within the past year or two, I've really started to, you know, the 6 dimensions of wellness, I have hit almost every single one of them. And currently, ones that I can really relate to is the emotional, intellectual, and physical aspects of the model. Because physically, I go to the gym multiple times a week trying to work on myself. Intellectually, I enrolled back in school, and I think that's a really great thing, as all of you guys too. So I'm really proud of you guys too. And emotionally, I go to therapy, and I've really taken care of my own mental health and figured out, good doses of medicine and things like that. Um, Something I do need in my Supreme meal would be support from other students and professors, for me to be an effective leader and for me to be an effective student. I am a leader in a different way because I don't work around other people my own age. I am a leader by example. I am a leader by teaching these children, you know, how to be a human. Um, my readings did change my outlook, and that's why I'm really excited for this course because the first readings were able to do that to me, to get me to reflect on my own life and think about what I personally need in my life to be successful. Thank you, and I'm really looking forward to this class.